Yes. So technically, I made a pre-recorded video, like live, like the market was live, but the video says that it had some copyright, some shit, I guess, because I had the music like in the background, but I didn't think you guys can listen, like hear it. But whatever. Anyways, I'm just gonna talk about it again. We had a loss. I wasn't really planning to take a trade in this moment since, like, how you can see how market's been presented, but I ended up taking a trade because where is it? It looked fine to me, right? It looked clean in the NQ. Well, not super clean. Honestly, market has been fucking ass today. But in the ES, like ES was looking clean. I took a trade, like I took a short because, of course, I want to see all these lows. I said it in the previous video. Now the thing is, the market is just not. It's just choppy. It's Monday. Like one thing I noticed, I had a loss last Monday, and I'm having a loss again this Monday. So maybe it's time to just like technically like stop trading on Mondays. Even though the thing is like there's Mondays for me that it does work. Like Mondays are pretty nice, but then there's Mondays like this, and this is what kind of like puts me So I think I'm just gonna start trying to avoid Mondays because this is what I'm seeing. Like I don't feel like I'm incorrect about my bias. Like I know we're gonna end up taking all these lows. This is all I wanted, but it's maybe not gonna do it, or maybe it will, but just while chopping, very bad. So anyways, the reason why I took the trade is like, okay, well, we went first up. I was patient. I didn't see no changes to the delivery, nothing. I was just being absolutely patient. I was saying maybe if this candle closes here and we come back into the fair value gap, then I will take a short here, stop loss here, and then just basically get all these lows. But then when I saw this, of course, I did not take the trade because I didn't see nothing clean here. And then next thing I see is us sweeping this high. So I was like, okay, now we should start going lower. Now, I could have taken the trade here, yes, but I did not want to take it because I don't know what was it in that moment. I think was in 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute was not looking clean. And then the 2 minute close here, and then we finished closing below in the 2 minute here. So I was like, that's when I said, okay, we have changes to the delivery, the fair value gap, first for presented fair value gap. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. So I took my entry here, which is basically showing right here, because I wanted to go back. So I was like, okay, we go back, and then I take the entry. So I was here. I took it, and then yeah, complete dog shit. Like look at the 2 minute. This is another reason. Okay, so sorry. This is another reason why I did not take it here because the 2 minute would look horrible. And then when I finally saw the displacement here, I was like, okay, I'm taking the trade. I don't think I was wrong. I don't think it was bad. My stop loss was up here. Basically, I said I want to see the 50% of this below being respected. This is the max I can go because I want to see it respecting. If it goes above this, then it's going to go more up, which I end up doing that. Now, other thing was, yeah, like it's just simple. 2 minute, look at it, displays down. 1 minute, same shit, like displacement down, change your state of delivery, and using the first rally I presented. But it just didn't look like I want to do that. That's what it seems. So the one thing I will say, ES looks way cleaner. And I did say this in the video that it said copyright. I kind of was thinking about it. I was saying we have this high here, but we never touched the first parallel presented. And that's what in my head I was just saying like maybe it wants to sweep this highs again one more time and then we get to touch the fair value gap and then we displace down. And that's exactly the maybe that I had in my head is what it ended up doing. Because at the end, yeah. Other thing that my mentor was saying in that moment, he was like, okay, we have super equal highs here. And this is another reason why he didn't take the trade either at the end. We didn't like we could have shorted here, of course. But when these equal highs were made, that just like put us like a bit off. Now when I took the trade here, I was saying, okay, we're like a bit too far to go take out this high since we displaced down, blah blah blah. 2 minute, it's looking clean, and then somehow we just end up going higher. And then again, same shit. We didn't even like displace through this. We just made super equal highs, respect the first inverse, and then just go back to it. And now we just swept this lows, and now we just swept this low. Like this is it. This is all I was planning to get. Like this is literally was the trade I wanted to take. This is what I was expecting. But I mean, it's Monday, choppy. You can't really expect that much. So it's kind of my fault too. And technically, for example, if you see this, the change to the delivery is here in the ES. This is what I'm saying since like all day, like it's looking way cleaner. First rally presented is here. And then first of all, we go up, we use it, boom, we sweep the high, then we go low, we have a huge displacement, we close below, we come back to it, we did not reach it, we go back one more time down, sweep this low, and then we start going all the way high. Literally, look at it, like you cannot tell me this is like casual, like this is just casual or something. Like we literally get to the first rally presented, sweep these people out, and then that's when we start having the rejection down. And there it is. Now that I could have done better, maybe yes, maybe not, but to be honest, like I don't think my point of view in that moment was wrong. I think it's okay, like I mean it is what it is and things like this just happen. Some days like market's just gonna cook you even though you know exactly where's it going. I call it in the video before, I said it, and yeah, this just today wasn't like that. Like it, I mean, my bias is correct. I'm pretty happy about that, but entry wise, like I guess it wasn't the best. And there you go. First target I was talking about, this one, and then I wanted to see this take out, and I literally want to see the daily. Like I literally said everything in the previous video. I was talking about this. I say the lows I want to be take out, everything I want out, and I'm really expecting us to go down here. So yeah, pretty unfortunate though for this trade. And that's I think that's gonna be it, to be honest. I have nothing else to say. Pretty disappointing, yeah, but at least we're not wrong. We're not wrong at the end of the day, and that's pretty satisfying, to be honest. And honestly, even in the trade, in the moment I was trading, I was supposed to enter with 5 contracts, but then when I saw a market acting this way, of course I de-risk, and I end up just entering with 3. So my loss was a bit lower. Thank God. But yeah, like there you go. It is what it is. Sometimes you will lose, sometimes you will win. But I mean, it's just it is what it is. I don't know what else to say, guys. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I don't think I have anything else to explain. Swept this highs, came back. Ferrari got first Ferrari presented. Ferrari got here too. We swept them out, came in. You could have shorted here, and basically just literally short it right here, and then you just have your stop loss either here, or honestly either even here, and then just try to take out this low. And if you want to leave a runner, of course you can take it to all the way down here, or the previous day low. But then this one is very far. NQ it looks closer. This one else I wanted to take out today. Other thing I said in the previous video, I said I want to see us getting to this fair rally gap, and this is what I think we should be doing. We're not that far. And now there you go. We're going to it. Finally, we're ripping. And yeah, that's gonna be it. And then the other thing in the ES, ES, like we had the same thing, displacement. So I was looking at both, and I was saying, okay, well, if we had a displacement here, fair rally gap here, blah blah blah, then we should be taking the short. But I mean, yeah, no, market say fuck you. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this insightful. And then yeah, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Anyways, guys, take care.